When the Lord brought back the captivity of Zion, we were like those who dream. Clarion Call Prayer and Revival Movement invites you to a 2-day prophetic prayer and restoration conference. The guest speaker will be Bishop Nderitu, among other ministers. This will be hosted by Pastor Sube and Buka Yuri. The event will start on Friday, 28th July. The first session will be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Second session will be from 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. And the third session will be from 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. On Saturday, 29th July, it will be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the venue will be at Sinom Church within Life Empowerment Center, next to Afya Center, third floor of the building with Quickmart, Mfangano Street. You can contact us on 0707 977 829 for any queries. God bless you.